It's laundry time! Do you have the soap with you?
It's in the bag.
Okay.
It's open, so that's a good start.
I would say put it on cold since you've got mixed colors if it's not
I don't think the
already on.
power's on. Then what are these? Then that. I don't know what these are. The hostel we're staying in at the moment has some unique features. Let me show you some of them. Here you have super comfortable, easy access beds. All you have to do is fit in here. It's also comfortable for sitting on and getting into to lie down. Over here, you have windows that open all the way, about 2.5 inches. What a view. Over here, you have a full-length mirror, which is behind this set of beds. On the wall, you have a TV, and over here, surrounding the locker, you have 15 coat hangers. Meanwhile, there's only one power point in the room, but that's all you need, right? Because there's one in the bathroom too.
For all your charging needs. Computer and phone.
Furthermore, the easy to remember door locks backwards so that whichever way you turn it is wrong. The hostel also provides a single key for the entire room. Free washing machine, which comes with laundry soap too, if you can turn it on. And the staff don't know how it works, but they don't use it, so why would they know? They only work here. Have we found any other great features of this hostel?
Oh, have you talked about the washing machine?
Yes.
Have you talked about the maps that were provided?
Oh, that's right. The maps that were provided.
And the blankets.
The blankets that were provided. You can see the one they provided for this bed, the one they provided for that bed, the one they provide for my bed. Oh, and there's a blanket too. The one they provided for that bed. Any other features you've thought of?
Gosh. I think I've just been so overwhelmed. I can't think of more at the moment.
Oh, another great feature though about this bathroom is the easy access light switch outside. Nope, not that one. That one. You only have to turn it on before you go in. Perfect for late night excursions.
Why they don't have a nightlight in here?
Because there's no power points.
That's probably it. Oh well.
All this luxury can
There's
be
no
yours.
bed
It is rated something extraordinarily high, like 9.1. Is it that high? Something extremely high on hostelworld.com. Only the most reliable reviews for only the most quality places, like this one, where we're staying now. It's bonus feature round. Let's have a close look here. This squeakless tap provides hot and cold running water. Silent. You will never wake up your roommates turning the water on at night.